Hey guys, it's Keisha and thank you for being here today. In this video, I'll be showing you how I made this beautiful cake for my lovely client. So I already have my pans lined and ready to go. We'll be making a red velvet birthday cake today with cream cheese filling. So I'm filling the pans up one at a time, and these will bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or until the toothpick comes out clean. So for this particular order, I am actually baking up my layers a day ahead of decorating. It's just much easier to manage my time this way. I'm also going to speed up this process so that you guys don't get bored. So into the oven they go, and now it's just a matter of waiting. So after my cakes are baked up, I normally let them cool a little bit in the pan, and then I wrap them up in some cling wrap and store them in the cooler until the next day for decorating. Okay, so now it's time for us to work on our buttercream, and I already have a video uploaded about how I make my buttercream. You can either scale it up or down to suit the amount of cake you'll be frosting, right? So we'll be speeding things ahead in this one, but go ahead and watch. You may be able to learn something new. Okay, so now it's time to fill and stack our cake. I normally start by adding some buttercream to the base of the board. This acts as an anchor when it firms up that our cake doesn't slip nor slide. Now, I also will be using a very gooey frosting. It's a cream cheese frosting, so I'm creating a dam around the circumference of each layer, and that will add some extra support so that our frosting doesn't seep out. Because this is a tall cake, I will also be adding some straws and a skewer to secure the cake. This adds some extra support so that the cake doesn't wobble all over the place. Crumb coating your cake is a step you really don't want to miss. What this does is that it traps all of those little crumbs into that thin layer. So then after you put this thin layer around your cake, your final coat will be flawless, crumb-free. After you've added your crumb coat, you want to put that cake in the fridge to chill for about 5 minutes in the freezer or about 10 to 15 minutes in the cooler. It could be longer depending on the temperature of your fridge. However, what you could do is just tap the cake to see if it's firm. It should not be tacky or gooey when you touch the cake. So make sure that it's firm before you add the final layer. When it comes to smoothing my cakes, I love using this thin stainless steel bench scraper. I got it from a hardware store, and its sole purpose is for frosting my cakes. I have used acrylic scrapers in the past, but I find just the thinness of this bench scraper makes smoothing the cake so much easier. Now it's time to add our custom cake topper. I got mine from Designed by Dan. If you're in Jamaica, you can follow her on Instagram as well. It's Designed by Dan, and she is wonderful to work with. So I'll be unpacking this topper so you can see the whole process. So there you have it, guys. We're all done. Our cake is finally completed. So after this, I will just box up the cake and store it in the refrigerator until my client comes to pick it up. So let me know what you think about this cake in the comments. I love reading your comments. So thank you again for watching, and I will see you in the next one.